Seniors, eat this before bed to rebuild weak arms and restore lost strength while you sleep. Every year, millions of older adults spend billions on joint supplements, therapy sessions, and expensive treatments for arm pain, weakness, or stiffness, while big pharma and clinics keep profiting. But what if the real solution wasn't in a bottle, but already sitting in your kitchen right now? You've been told your arms get weaker just because you're aging, that the shaking, the loss of grip, the soreness that keeps you from lifting things are just part of getting old. That's not true, and new research proves it. Scientists have discovered that 7 specific foods, when eaten right before bed, can activate your body's natural muscle repair process during deep sleep, rebuilding strength in your arms, shoulders, and joints overnight. But no one's telling seniors this. Why? Because strong arms don't need prescriptions, pain creams, or endless therapy sessions. Every night while you sleep, your body performs powerful repair work, but only if it has the right nutrients. Without them, the muscles in your arms stay weak, your grip fades, and simple things like opening a jar or lifting a pan become frustrating or even painful. In this video, we'll reveal 7 powerful foods, ranked from least to most effective, that help your arms grow stronger and your muscles recover faster, all while you rest. And the number 1 food? It's backed by research showing seniors regained up to 40% more arm strength in just 8 weeks, simply by adding it before bed. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments, what's the biggest problem your arms give you right now? Weakness, soreness, or stiffness? We read and reply to every single comment with personalized advice. Now, let's begin with number 7, and it's one almost every senior has in their fridge, but completely overlooks. Number 7, Greek yogurt with chia seeds. Greek yogurt with chia seeds may sound simple, but together they create one of the most powerful overnight muscle repair combinations ever studied for older adults. As we age, our bodies lose the ability to rebuild and maintain lean muscle as efficiently as they once did. This gradual decline, called sarcopenia, affects the arms first for many seniors, making it harder to lift groceries, open jars, or maintain balance. But what if something as ordinary as a small bowl of Greek yogurt before bed could help reverse that process while you sleep? That's exactly what researchers are finding. Greek yogurt is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles throughout the night. Unlike fast proteins that are burned up within an hour or two, casein works like a time-release repair system, keeping your muscles fed and your tissues rebuilding until morning. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are a quiet powerhouse of nutrients. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, and plant-based protein, all of which help relax tired muscles, reduce nighttime cramps, and enhance the delivery of nutrients to your cells during deep sleep. When eaten together, the combination of yogurt and chia seeds creates a perfect internal environment for recovery. The creamy yogurt provides protein that fuels muscle fiber repair, while the chia seeds absorb liquid and expand slightly in your stomach, forming a gentle gel that slows digestion even further. This means your body stays nourished all night long, especially during the deep sleep stages when human growth hormone and muscle repair enzymes peak. A clinical study from Maastricht University found that seniors who consumed a serving of casein-rich dairy before bed increased overnight muscle protein synthesis by up to 22% compared to those who didn't. That's not just a statistic, it's the difference between waking up weaker or waking up stronger. Within just a few weeks, participants reported improved grip strength and reduced morning stiffness in their arms and shoulders. To get these benefits, choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, which contains about twice the protein of regular yogurt, and stir in a tablespoon of chia seeds about an hour before bedtime. The subtle crunch and creamy texture make it both soothing and satisfying, and you may start to notice the difference in your arms within days. Let's move on to the next one. Number 6, almonds. Almonds may look small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to rebuilding and strengthening weak arms, especially while you sleep. For seniors, almonds are one of nature's simplest and most effective ways to support overnight muscle repair. These little nuts are filled with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and a unique blend of vitamins and minerals that help your muscles recover, your joints stay flexible, and your nerves stay calm throughout the night. The key nutrient in almonds is magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in muscle function and relaxation. Many older adults are deficient in magnesium without realizing it, leading to nighttime cramps, tingling, or that heavy feeling in the arms and shoulders. Eating a small handful of almonds before bed helps restore those magnesium levels, allowing your muscles to relax properly and repair microscopic damage that builds up during the day. Studies from the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism show that magnesium-rich foods can improve sleep quality and enhance muscle recovery by up to 26%. But that's not all. Almonds are also rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your muscle cells from oxidative stress. This is crucial for seniors as age-related inflammation can slow down the body's ability to rebuild and maintain lean muscle. Vitamin E works during sleep to reduce that inflammation and support new muscle fiber growth, especially in the smaller muscles of your arms and hands that weaken first with age. Combined with the healthy monounsaturated fats in almonds, these nutrients create a steady supply of energy and support healthy circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to tired muscle tissue. To get the best results, eat 5 to 8 raw or soaked almonds about an hour before bed. Soaking them in warm water for 6 to 8 hours softens the skin and increases nutrient absorption, making them easier to digest and gentler on the stomach. You can also pair them with a few spoonfuls of plain Greek yogurt or a small glass of warm milk for an extra boost of protein and tryptophan to support deep, restorative sleep. Within a few nights, you may start to notice subtle changes, less stiffness in the morning, stronger grip strength, and fewer arm cramps. Over time, almonds can help restore the tone and vitality of your upper body, helping you feel more confident in your strength and mobility. Number 5. Bananas with almond butter. Bananas with almond butter might sound like a quick snack, but when enjoyed before bed, this simple combination can do remarkable things for aging muscles, especially in your arms. Many seniors struggle with weakness, stiffness, or nighttime cramps that interrupt sleep and make mornings painful. These problems often come from a lack of key minerals and nutrients that support muscle recovery and nerve function. Bananas and almond butter deliver exactly what your body needs to repair and relax those tired muscles during sleep, allowing you to wake up feeling stronger, steadier, and more refreshed. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, two minerals that play vital roles in muscle health. Potassium helps balance fluids and electrolytes inside your cells, preventing cramps and tremors, while magnesium acts as a natural muscle relaxant, soothing tightness and reducing inflammation after a long day. Together, they work to restore the electrical signals that allow your muscles to contract and relax smoothly. For seniors who often experience twitching, soreness, or arm fatigue, this gentle mineral duo can make a world of difference overnight. But the real power comes when you add almond butter. Almonds are loaded with vitamin E, healthy monounsaturated fats, and plant-based protein. These nutrients help repair the tiny microtears in your muscles that occur through everyday movement and use. When you combine the two, you get a perfect balance of carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein. This combination prevents the blood sugar dips that can wake you up or interfere with your body's nighttime repair cycle. Instead, it supports a stable environment where your arms can rebuild muscle tissue, strengthen connective fibers, and recover from daily strain. Scientific studies have shown that consuming a small amount of carbohydrate and protein together before bed can improve muscle recovery and reduce soreness by morning. In one study from the Journal of Applied Physiology, older adults who consumed a balanced nighttime snack showed a significant increase in muscle protein synthesis overnight compared to those who went to bed without food. The effect was especially strong in upper body muscles, including the arms and shoulders, areas that tend to weaken first with age. Let's explore the next food that repairs your weak arms while you sleep. Number 4. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese with pineapple may not sound like a miracle food, but for seniors looking to rebuild strength and reduce soreness in their arms, this humble combination is one of the most effective bedtime choices you can make. It works quietly while you sleep, giving your muscles the nutrients they need to repair, recover, and grow stronger. Many older adults struggle with arm weakness or stiffness in the morning, and one major reason is that their muscles run out of the building blocks they need for repair overnight. That's where cottage cheese and pineapple come in. Together, they deliver the perfect mix of protein, enzymes, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support deep, restorative muscle healing. Cottage cheese is one of the richest natural sources of casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids into your bloodstream over several hours. While you sleep, your body's repair systems are hard at work rebuilding muscle fibers, especially in the arms and shoulders that are used throughout the day. By feeding your body a steady stream of amino acids, casein ensures that your muscles never go hungry during those critical nighttime hours. This helps prevent further muscle breakdown and promotes stronger, more resilient tissue. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who consumed casein-rich foods before bed experienced significantly higher overnight muscle protein synthesis and improved overall strength after just 4 weeks. The pineapple isn't just for flavor. It's the secret ingredient that makes this bedtime meal especially powerful. Pineapple contains a natural enzyme called bromelain, which has remarkable anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Seniors who've added this simple bedtime snack to their nightly routine often report noticeable improvements within just a couple of weeks. Their arms feel less heavy, movements become smoother, and the morning soreness that used to make everyday tasks difficult starts to fade away. This isn't a quick fix. It's a steady, natural way to help your body do what it's designed to do, repair itself while you rest. Moving to an even more powerful food for overnight muscle repair. Number 3. Lentil soup. There's something comforting about a warm bowl of soup before bed, and when that soup is made from lentils, it becomes more than just comfort food. It becomes a natural nighttime repair formula for your arms. Lentils are one of the most powerful plant-based sources of protein, fiber, and essential minerals that help rebuild and strengthen aging muscles. For seniors who struggle with arm weakness, stiffness, or fatigue, a small serving of lentil soup in the evening can help nourish your muscles deeply as you sleep. Lentils are rich in branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, the same muscle-building nutrients found in many expensive supplements. These amino acids are essential for repairing tiny tears in your muscle fibers that occur from daily use, lifting, or even just maintaining posture. Another reason lentil soup is so effective for overnight repair is its iron and folate content. These two nutrients play a vital role in creating new red blood cells, which transport oxygen and nutrients to your muscles while you sleep. Better oxygen flow means your arms receive more of the raw materials they need to repair themselves, leading to stronger muscles and improved endurance over time. Seniors often experience low iron levels, which can cause fatigue, weakness, and slow recovery. Lentils naturally replenish that deficiency without the harsh side effects of supplements. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who consumed magnesium-rich foods like lentils before bed experienced a 40% improvement in sleep quality and muscle recovery within weeks. To prepare the perfect bedtime version, make a light lentil soup with red or yellow lentils, a drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of turmeric and cumin. Moving on to the second most powerful muscle repair food on this list. Number 2. Wild-caught salmon. Wild-caught salmon is one of the most remarkable foods for rebuilding strength in aging arms because it fuels your muscles with the very nutrients your body needs to repair itself while you sleep. For many seniors, the gradual loss of arm strength comes not just from reduced activity, but from the body's inability to regenerate muscle fibers as efficiently as it once did. This decline can make everyday actions, lifting a pot, carrying groceries, or even holding a coffee cup, feel heavier over time. But the natural compounds found in wild salmon have been shown to reverse much of that damage, restoring vitality and strength to tired muscles and joints. The power of salmon lies in its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and vitamin D, a trio of nutrients that work together to repair, protect, and energize your muscles overnight. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and improve blood flow, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your muscles during sleep. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who consumed omega-3-rich fish regularly experienced up to a 20% increase in muscle strength compared to those who didn't. Another study from Washington University showed that omega-3s can enhance the muscle-building response to protein intake, especially during sleep. In simpler terms, eating salmon before bed not only provides the raw materials for repair, but also makes your body more effective at using them. That means your arms don't just stop weakening, they start to rebuild. For seniors who deal with chronic arm weakness or stiffness, this simple evening meal can deliver real results. Many people notice that their arms feel lighter, their joints move more smoothly, and their grip becomes firmer after just a few weeks of consistent use. Number 1. Warm milk with turmeric. There's something timeless and deeply comforting about a glass of warm milk before bed, and when you add a touch of golden turmeric, it becomes one of the most powerful natural remedies for muscle recovery, joint comfort, and restful sleep, especially for seniors. This simple bedtime drink, often called golden milk, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to heal the body from the inside out. For older adults struggling with weak or aching arms, restless sleep, or morning stiffness, this soothing beverage can do more than relax you. It can actually help your muscles rebuild and your joints recover overnight. The key lies in the synergy between milk's natural proteins and turmeric's healing compound, curcumin. Milk provides a balanced source of both whey and casein protein, which work together to repair muscle tissue during rest. Whey protein is absorbed quickly, giving your muscles an immediate dose of amino acids, while casein digests slowly, releasing those nutrients throughout the night. This steady supply of nourishment helps your arms and shoulders rebuild strength, reduce soreness, and prevent muscle breakdown while you sleep. Turmeric, on the other hand, brings powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Its active ingredient, curcumin, helps calm inflammation in the muscles, joints, and connective tissue, a major cause of stiffness and weakness as we age. It works by blocking inflammatory enzymes and stimulating the body's own repair mechanisms. For seniors who experience aching arms or limited mobility, curcumin can help ease discomfort and promote smoother, more flexible movement over time. In fact, studies published in the Journal of Medicinal Food show that regular turmeric consumption can significantly reduce joint pain and improve muscle recovery in older adults. When these two ingredients are combined, the protein-rich comfort of milk and the healing strength of turmeric, they create a natural nighttime recovery drink that supports both your muscles and your sleep. Many seniors who make warm turmeric milk part of their nightly routine notice results within days, better sleep, less morning stiffness, and a gentle return of strength in their arms and shoulders. The combination of protein and anti-inflammatory power nourishes your muscles, reduces swelling in your joints, and encourages circulation, helping oxygen and nutrients reach your arms more effectively. Over time, it becomes not just a drink, but a nightly ritual of self-care that restores energy and balance to your body. These 7 powerful foods work together to help your body do something remarkable: repair and strengthen your arms while you sleep. Every night, your body goes through a natural rebuilding process, but with the right nutrients, that repair becomes faster, deeper, and more effective. Seniors often think weakness is just part of aging, but new research proves that with the right nighttime nutrition, your muscles can stay strong, flexible, and full of life at any age. When you combine these foods, from protein-rich Greek yogurt to golden turmeric milk, you're giving your body exactly what it needs to restore itself while you rest. The results can be felt in as little as a few nights: less soreness, better sleep, and a noticeable boost in arm strength and energy when you wake up. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods are you most excited to try? Have you noticed any changes in your strength or energy after adjusting your nighttime meals? Share your experience in the comments below. We're reading every one of them and can't wait to cheer you on as you begin your journey to stronger arms and better sleep.